Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell and join this family. Listen, it is Memorial Day weekend, and I'm going to get straight to the chase of why I'm making a video today. On yesterday's video, I read a comment, and there was a lot of frustration. All right, there was a lot of frustration in the comment, and it said, because crypto was going back down, hey, I'm just done with it. One tweet can send the markets going down. And I understand your frustration, but a lot of you have the same frustration, not just with crypto, but stocks also. And I'm here to encourage you, like I left the comment there for the brother. Listen, this is a long game. Even if you're swing trading, it's a long game. Meaning that if you zoom out, you'll see a long, whether it's stocks or crypto, when you zoom out, you will see an uptrend. You may be caught in a segment where it's going down, but if you continue to zoom out, you will see an uptrend. Now, there's a message in this, and if you listen, you will make money, all right? If you look at the S&P 500, all right, let's just start with the NASDAQ. Okay, let's start with the NASDAQ. If you look at the NASDAQ, of course, it's been seesawing. If you look at the last week, it's down. Why? Just like the gentleman said, tweets and tariffs, and it's frustrating. But if you simply look at the long-term trajectory of it, meaning it's simple, good people. If you have been constantly losing money, only buy when it's down. And you guys know that I teach you need to look at the 200-day moving average, study what it is, okay? Look at the 200-day moving average. You know, daily you can look at the 20 and you can look at the 250-day moving average. But look, I want everyone here, if you've never pulled up a chart, I want you to Google what the 200-day moving average is, because it's going to help you in your long-term buys. The NASDAQ is tech heavy, so if you really want to buy big tech at a good price, just wait until it goes down by 15%, let alone 20%. So what I do is I buy on a 15% drop, then I buy again on a 20% drop, okay? And I leave money to do so, right? But then what do you do in between, Larry? A dollar cost average. Year to date, we're down, right? But over a year, we're up. Over 5 years, we're up massively. You can see that. Look at that, good people. 97% over the last 5 years. And this is the NASDAQ, tech heavy. Look at that, okay? And you say, hey, it's a scam, it's a scam, it's a scam, while long-term investors just keep dollar cost averaging and keep buying the dips, okay? Let's look at the S&P 500, the overall stock market. You're going to see the same exact thing, all right? Year to date, down. 1 year, up 9%. 5 years, 90%. Max, look at that, 675%. What about crypto? Let's go to crypto. You can see it's down, right? Over the year, we're still up 56% on Bitcoin. Over the last 5 years, you are up 1,000%. And having said this, there's a lot of people actually losing money. But when you look at it, it's up 1,000%. So, is it a scam? No. You could see that it is up 1,000% over the last 5 years. Bitcoin. It's up 23,000% since its inception. Larry, what am I doing wrong? I'm going to tell you in a minute. Let's look at XRP. Okay? Look at the 6 month. You're up 59%. So if you are losing money with any of these, and I still say under $2 is the buy, okay? For the year, XRP is up 330%. Even XRP over the last year. Ethereum has been sleep at the wheel, absolutely sleep at the wheel. But if you go to Ethereum 6 month, right, go to 1 year is down, go to 5 years, you're still up 933%. Now, there is a reason for this video. And that's for those of you that are just not focusing on the right thing. You've heard that this is running and that's running, and then you come running and you buy at the top. It is just as simple as centering yourself, chilling for a minute, learning, test, and then earn. And a lot of you jumped in this market just like I did in 92. Didn't know anything, heard about something good, jumped in it, and lost my money. What I'm telling you on today, on Memorial's Day, remembrance for the people that's paid the ultimate sacrifice that's going to be tomorrow. I'm celebrating it right now. I'm telling you, quit worrying about 6 months from now. Quit worrying about a year from now. I may need that money. I may need that money. Get excited when the stock market pulls back by 15 to 20%. Get excited when crypto have a major pullback. And if you're in crypto, you better understand that there are cycles in crypto, and you need to understand that. I have a class below, Stock Up You. Take it, take the crypto class and stop losing money. But if you don't want to do that, at least do yourself a favor and Google the free stuff that will show you when to buy. And that's all you have to do, and buy and be long. And when I say quit worrying about tomorrow, next month, next year, worry about 10, 20 years from now. Because at the end of the day, most of you here that are listening to me will be around 10 years from now. And you're worrying about tomorrow instead of 10 years from now. And so if you just listen to the things I said, if it's stock, wait till the market absolutely have a pullback. Tariff wars are not over. There will be more opportunities. But the truth is, when that opportunity comes, you're too scared to buy. Well, I'm challenging you to change that and do the polar opposite. Get excited for the red, okay? Run towards the fire and buy then. And stop buying when it's green, okay? And the same thing with crypto. I want you to understand that people have called Bitcoin funny money, this and that, and this and that, and this and that, 1,000% over the last 5 years. Even with 70% pullbacks, it's still up 1,000%. And so it's nothing wrong with the system. It's the way you understand the system. And don't worry about the pullbacks. Don't worry about them. Now, that crypto, if you think Bitcoin is high, then you only buy a little, saving 2/3 for when it pulls back. The question is, will you buy when it pulls back? Now, I'm headed to the Bitcoin conference, and I want you to listen to yesterday's video. I'll leave it in a box at the end of this video. You're going to see a box that appears in your upper right-hand corner. And I need you to listen to everything I say on that video concerning crypto. But this is for stocks and crypto. If you settle yourself and center yourself and say, everything that I've been doing wrong, I'm going to write it down. I challenge you to write it down. There's some of you right now, and I want you to be honest. If you go to your kitchen, there's a pile of dirt that you swept up, but you didn't put it in the trash. You say, I'll get to it later. Just like you say, I'm going to study this later. I'm going to study that later. I want everybody that's listening to me. I want you to listen. You got to finish. You got to trust the process. Go to your kitchens and sweep up that pile of trash, or just that little dust, even if you dust, and finish the job. Put it in the trash, because those are the little things that's going to help you. Write the vision, make it plain. When I say write it down, most people don't write it down. But the people that actually write stuff down actually earn more money, and they learn more because they went through that extra step of writing it down. Write it down. I will buy. I will buy everything that's in QQQ, good, solid companies when it goes down by 10, 15, and 20%. I'll buy twice as more then, and I'll buy, half when it goes up. Write it down. When crypto pulls back, simple. Go back, pull up the last 30 days and see where the lows are, and simply put in buy orders. And then you can always take those off if you think crypto is done. Okay? If you think the run is done, you can always take those off. But you got to have a plan. Okay? So it's not a scam. And crypto is very volatile. And it's not for everyone. But I will tell you, if you just trust the process and zoom out on anything, you will see that even in the last 5 years, we are up massively. Again, my name is Larry Jones. Come join me. We make videos like this all of the time. But you got to do the work, good people. And 5 years from now, when a Bitcoin is, $200,000, $300,000, I'm going to be saying the same thing. But those of us that have been continual to dollar cost average, and then when we have major pullbacks, those of us that's going to be buying even more, we're going to be that much richer. And there's going to be one or two of you still complaining. There's going to be some of you guys that says, I'm not buying it. I don't understand it. And you said it in 2020. You said it in 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And you haven't taken 1 hour to even understand it. I'm telling you, it's here. It's not going anywhere. And the FUD that you're listening to is holding you back. Okay? I'm going to leave it right there. This is Sunday. I'm going to tell you this one thing. Settle yourself. Don't get caught up in the hype. There is plenty of money to be made, but it's going to take time and you will be here. All right. I love you guys. I'm going to leave it right there. I got some links below. One is Money Moves. I will be at the crypto conference, so it's going to be a little different. I'll leave a message in Money Move. All right. And we have Stock Up You. If you want to learn about crypto, go there, learn about it, and earn. All right, good people. I love you guys. For all of our veterans, thank you for your service. And for the ones that gave the ultimate sacrifice, we pray for their families. Myself, my family are full of military. My great uncle, I shared it with you guys last year, I believe. My great uncle did Normandy. He was a gunner on a ship. Took longer to get home than it did the whole war. Watched his friends get killed. My granddaddy, my dad's dad, Navy, at the same time. Okay, so it's just a lot that we need to be thankful for as a country. And remember, you are standing on someone else's shoulders. And be forever thankful, just like I am. Okay, so God bless all of the service people, men and women that are in the service right now, paying the price. Okay, so just like Normandy, while you're laying on the beach, somebody died on the beach so you can lay on the beach. Let's be thankful. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.